You know that feeling when you open a new design file and a blank screen and nothing. You scroll through design, you save reference, but still nothing. It's really frustrating, right? And here's the truth, you are not out of idea. You just need the starting right point. In this video, I'm going to show you why your design inspiration getting blocked and how can you pass it like a professional designer. So let's break the circle. Scrolling feels like work, but most of the time it isn't. When you just look at the finished design, your brain starts copying, not thinking. Let's say you are designing a logo for a corporate company. You start scrolling through Pinterest, Behance, looking for inspiration, and you see simple logo, trendy logo, corporate logos. After a while, everything starts looking the same. Every logo blends together and you can't find anything new. And why does this happen? Because you are looking at the finished design. You are not giving your brain space to think. Instead, you are letting the designs lead you. You should be leading the designs yourself. Here's the fix. Stop scrolling, close the Pinterest, take a moment and write 5 keywords about the brand. For example, trustworthy, modern, bold, simple, or friendly. Once you have the words, just sketch. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just get the ideas out. Draw 3 quick logos based on your keyword you wrote down. The first one did not have to be good. The point is to get started. And remember, inspiration starts after movement. Now that you have started moving, there is another problem. You might rush into choosing colors and fonts too soon. Sure, picking fonts and colors are fun, but real inspiration comes after understanding the brand and audience. Let's say you are designing a poster for a concert and client says make it bold, make it eye-catchy and fun. You get excited and start picking bright colors, but something cannot feel right. It not be coming together. Instead of rushing visuals, ask yourself some of questions. What is event about? Who is the audience? And what kind of mood do you want to create for this poster? Once you understand those answers, you will know how to choose the right colors and font. I got it. You want your design to be original, but try to be original too fast can you freeze you up. You put too much pressure on yourself to create something completely new before you even understand what works. Imagine you are designing a poster for a film festival. You want to try something really unique, so you go to all out with a new concept, but end up looking confusing and messy. Why? Because you did not take a time to understand what works first. So start by looking at a successful design in your field. Study how they are laid out, the colors they use, and how they organize text. Once you know that works, you can start making your design original. Quick pause. Hey, if this kind of real thinking helps you, please give a thumbs up and make a comment what type of problem do you face right now. I have more design tips and creative breakdowns are coming. Now, here's the true part. You think I will start once I get inspired. But there is the thing. Inspiration doesn't come when you wait. It comes when your work is starting. Let's say you are designing a flyer for an event. You think I will start once I get the perfect idea, but nothing happens. Instead of waiting for an idea, start with something simple. Rough sketches, text boxes, black and white layout. Once you lay out the basic structure, the creative ideas will start flowing. And the last thing to remember this. If you keep using the same input, you will get the same result. It's that simple. You are designing branding for a new startup. You keep looking at the same reference online and the designs all start looking the same. You need new input. Visit a store and check out different products of different brands. Flip through magazine for fresh ideas. Watch movies or look art for inspiration. New experience brings new idea. If you are not getting design inspiration, so remember this. You are not broken, you just solved the wrong problem. Inspiration is not magic, it's problem solving with intention. So start small, ask better question, let your idea grow while you work. If this video is helpful to you, like, comment, share, and I will see you in the next one. Alvida.